guys, it's Andre from Sport and Fit Gym. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of exercises with one of these. This is a medicine ball. It can be very interesting, it can make your workout very effective and very fun to do. So I'm just going to go through about 15 exercises, which you can do some of them in your workout, don't do all of them. And here we go, we're going to start off with some push-ups. Go down. First we're going to do push-up with both hands on the ball. This is a bit of a balance exercise, and we go down. So that's one way to do it. Another push-up you can do is with your hand on the ball, or you can do alternating hands, like so. It's really good to get a nice dip as you go down. Another one we can do, we're going to put our feet on the ball and then do a regular push-up. This works our core. Going from here, or you go down, push-up. Just make it more difficult. Lift one leg, and then do it. It's a really difficult one, but it really works the core muscles. Next thing we will do, we do like just a slight rotation. We go into sitting position, lift our legs up, and we just go bend the mattress. To make this more difficult, you can actually throw the ball up. So as you go, you throw it, throw. There. Try to do this with your abdominal muscles. Don't use your arms. Try to do the twist of the body. Next one, same position. We just go up, working the shoulders and working the core, keeping this position. Now this is a 6 kilogram medicine ball. I want to take one which will be appropriate for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilograms, whichever. 6 is quite a big one, so you get a really nice workout. More abdominal exercises. You keep it there and up. One more thing you can do, which is really difficult, but you can try. Put it between the legs, arms below you to keep your back safe, and you lift and down. Lift. That's it. As far as the abdominals go, we're going to do some squats with this. So for the beginning, just keep it and do it. To make it more difficult, put in throwing it up as you go. Or you can do it from the bottom. Just there, you go down and up, down, up. Another one. Now we're going to work our core a bit more and also put some shoulder work in there. So from here, we'll keep your body straight and just rotate the upper part. And from there, you go. This is okay for the beginning. If you want to make it more advanced, make a full circle. Control, don't throw it around. Don't do it like that. Control the movement. Head is following the ball. Do a nice shoulder exercise. Just up and try and do it slowly. So you isolate the front shoulder muscle here. More shoulders. You just throw it there. This works your forearm. Just trying to keep it balanced. You can alternate the arms. See, it's quite difficult to actually catch the ball. Okay, now we'll do a tricep. Make sure your elbows tucked in. Your tricep. Keep your core tight. Working the triceps. And that's pretty much it. There are a few others, but this is just about 20, 15 of them. I'm not sure how many there are. just to give you an idea. Thank you for watching. More videos, more accessories coming soon. Goodbye.